I'm here in the garden with Josh. He is going to harvest the carrots. Yep. Oh, by the way, look at the carrots are here. Josh, the carrots are there. Look at the. Let's go to the other side. This is the peach tree, red baron peach tree. This is the flower of an apricot tree. Here are the carrots. Let's check if they're ready. I hope they are. I haven't checked them earlier. I think they are.
Mommy,
yes?
Can you hold the bee on my finger?
Which one?
Hold the bee on my finger.
Hold the bee on your finger. It's going to sting you. Wait, where is the bee? It's up. It's they are friendly, but of course they when you touch them, they would think that you're going to squeeze them, right?
Yeah.
This is the art.
But what if I just lay my hand out like this?
Yeah,
And let it climb on.
you can always try. Josh, you want to harvest? Let's see.
Sure. Which one?
That one. Maybe I'll go to the other side. 1 second, huh? So I can take a feel better. Oh my
Why is the
God. Purple carrots. Harvest one first and then see if it's big enough. That one. One. There you go. And then pull the. Okay, that's perfect. And then let's go to the other side. Oh, I see. There's one here too, right? These are more of like heirloom carrots. They are round like that, you see?
Can I have the leaves? If you don't want the leaves, can I have?
Sure. This. Are you making soup?
Look at those, mommy. I want those leaves.
Those leaves? Yeah, I can get those leaves.
I want these leaves. Oh, they might be poisonous.
There's not no poisonous thing here.
How do you know?
This is another box of carrots.
These
Look at this. Let's check.
leaves.
I hope so. They're still very tiny, I think. I don't think they're ready. Let's check. This one. Is this like ready? I'll check. I think they are very small. Can I see? Oh, perfect. Then I'll give you the leaves, okay? Oh yeah, this one.
More.
Okay, perfect.
Well,
Let's
this
just
one
harvest all of them.
Harvest all of them.
Yeah.
Okay. That one's so big. That I can't grab that one.
Okay.
This one is right out of here.
That's awesome.
Alright, now I'm gonna grab this one by the butt. Good, you should try.
Can I
So these are our carrots right here.
Can I see Josh? Ooh, beautiful carrots harvest. 1 second. Look at that. Do you need more leaves, Josh? Josh is playing with the carrots leaves. Do you need more leaves? Look
Sure.
at this carrots harvest. Josh is the bee traffic controller. There's a bee there working overtime. I washed it and it looks like, look, it looks like radish now. What's going on?
Because it is radish.
It's not carrots, it's radish. Today is March 17th and Josh is joining me to prepare our
St. Patrick's dinner.
Yes. So every 17th of March on St. Patrick's Day, we prepare this one. What is this, Josh?
Brisket.
Corned beef brisket. This type of corned beef, because we have a Filipino style corned beef too that we usually eat for breakfast, for weekend breakfast. This one is different, like this. And we prepare this on St. Patrick's Day along with cabbage, potatoes, carrots. We're going to harvest carrots from the garden, and usually with soda bread, but today we don't have like soda bread, so just this and the vegetables.
Remember that time when I feasted on the carrots?
Oh yeah. I can add some clips with like Joshua's eating carrots since. So we have been celebrating this St. Patrick's Day since we went to Ireland. That was before Joshua was born. And then when you were born, you were a baby on St. Patrick's Day because you were born February and St. Patrick's Day is March. So your first St. Patrick's Day, you were only a month. I can like add some photos or like some like clips on this like video, right?
Yes.
Here's what I'm cooking. Corned beef brisket, uncured corned beef brisket. This is from Trader Joe's, and this is about 4 pounds, and it's $30, almost $31. It's $8.49 a pound. It says add water to cover. There you go. Now let's get some flowers to put on our vase. Maybe this one. The bok choy flowers that are bolted. These are pretty. These are very pretty. There you go. We can get more flowers. Look at the peach blossoms. Let's check if we can get anything from any flower from the other side. Here. Oh, this one. Let's use this one. These are pretty, right? This one too. Let's get this flower. Isn't this gorgeous? This is, I have to cut it from here because there are like some buds here. If you cut it here, I'm going to waste those. So just like that. See? Wow. That's California poppy. I'll get this purple one. We have flowers too. The flowers of arugula. We can use those too. Yes. Let's get 3 of this. See? Now let's get some white. Now this arugula. Turning blues. Check in the front yard. We have pink in the front yard to add like pink here. Then we have pink here. We have geraniums here. It's a pink, and then we have this one too here, and then a different color here, and that's the red one. I think this one is going to be perfect with this bouquet. Maybe this one. This one is hiding, so I'll use that one. There's this one too. Oh, but it's too big, I think. Here are the flowers. Look. Let's just put this on this like vase. I love this one. These are wildflowers. This pink one and this. From a packet of wildflower seeds. all from the garden. I have here some potatoes. I'm going to steam the potatoes. And the next would be the cabbage. And then I'm adding the cabbage. Okay. Look, when I peel off the skin of this like carrots, the inside is orange. Alright, look at that. Just add the carrots here, and then let's get those are, look at these pretty carrots. The corned beef. Let's slice. Look at that. Super tender. This is ready too. Potatoes and cabbage. It's almost dinner time. I have the flowers here. Here's our St. Patrick's dinner. The corned beef, potatoes, cabbage, and the homegrown carrots, and our green drink. Let's eat. Good job.
Yes.
Go. Okay. Go, Josh. And here's our St. Patrick's dinner. What are we having, Josh?
We're having corned beef, cabbage, potatoes, carrots,
And the green drink.
green drink.
Let's eat. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
And the cabbage too, it's good, and potato.
I like our green drink. It's
And how does it taste?
It's good. Josh finished.
Make your threes.
How many carrots did you finish, Josh?
I finished 3.
3 carrots. Look at that. Good job, Josh.
Thank you.
How's the corned beef, Daddy?
Good.
Has a lot of fat.
Excellent.
I'm the rabbit now, huh?
Yeah, I know. I remember when you were little, you said that too. And I said, hop, hop, hop away. That's your 4th carrots. Actually, this one is Josh's project in school. He made this. This is a leprechaun trap. Right, Josh?
Yes.
This is actually a shoebox. And then you open this. It's supposed to be like that. And then you trap the leprechaun. So you can have 3 wishes. And there's a ladder here. It's supposed to be a ladder here, right? Okay, can you explain more about your project, Josh?
Cut these things and I glue them on day 1. I glue them on day 1. Put some clovers. That was day 1. Day 1 was decoration. Day 2, I started working on the actual trap. Poked a hole through there, made some things, added the coins, and added this little thing under there for more decoration. Day 3, I added the gold and this thing.
The money. Who? There's money here. There's a gold coin here. Who wants gold coins? How many did you put? 2 or 3?
2.
2? Oh, that's awesome. What's the purpose of this? So it doesn't get wet.
It's just for a background. It also says free gold.
Oh, like that. Free gold. Oh, that's really nice. I love it. Beautiful project, Josh.
Thank you. But I actually put too much glue in the project so the leprechaun can't fall. I left the paper there so the leprechaun will land safely. Pop.
And then you can have 3
And
wishes,
also,
right?
Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Please subscribe down below and click one of these videos. And also share our video. It will help us a lot. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.